Hey folks, Andrew Wilson here. I wanted to show you something really cool. So we talk about there being a solution to every problem, right? So what used to be a major fix with a very concerning foundation crack was like to reinforce the wall with steel and all that stuff, and it was very, very expensive to do, like in the 5 figures. Well, what they do now, like what they did on our home, is install these bad boys. So we have backfill pushing the wall in. The wall is bowing. We have 9 of these installed throughout the basement. And the horizontal cracking is evidence of the earth pushing the wall inward. And so these guys stop that from happening. Stronger than steel, it's carbon fiber, and they dig into the wall like an inch or two, and then lay this in there and then cover it with epoxy. And $400 or $500 a piece for these straps ends up being a heck of a lot cheaper than reinforcing the wall the way they used to. And I mean, this is the way they're going, and we've had a great experience with it. So there's a solution to every problem.